Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will analyze the 9th ayah of Surah Mulk. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now this ayah begins with the word قالوا. Now here both the letters should be given two counts. Why? Because they are with the mad letters. Qaf is with alif mad and lam is with waw mad. So both the letters should be given 2 counts. Okay, but your qaf should be heavy and your lam should be light. Okay, it should be qa, not ka. Okay, qa, qalu. Your lam should be light. Don't make it low. Don't make it heavy. It should be qalu. Okay, bala. Keep your ba light. Your lam is also light, but your ba should be 1 count and your lam should be 2 counts because your lam is with alif saghira, which is given the same counting as the mad letters. Coming to the word qadr. Now here in this word, your qaf should be heavy and your dal should be with qalqala. That means you'll have to bounce your dal and take care of your qalqala, not to exaggerate it. Don't make it qadr, not like that. Okay, it should be qadr, a normal bouncing sound. Qadr, not qadr, not qadr, right? Qadr. Okay, inshallah. Now coming to the word ja'ana. Now here you see this jim is with the this elongation sign, so it can be given 4 counts. And your hamza over here, make your hamza clear. Do not merge your hamza into the mud like ja'ana. Not this way. It should be ja'ana. And the noon should be given 2 counts because it is with alif mad. Now this word nadir. Now what you see over here at the end of this word, the ra is with dhammatain followed by the letter fa. So here the rule is ikhfa. So what do you have to do? You will have to hide your noon. So what will you do? You will read your word nadir, noon fatha nadir. Keep your noon light, give your dal 2 counts, and also take care of the makhraj of dal, which is the tip of your tongue should touch the edges of your front teeth. Okay, be careful for that. Nadir. Now coming to the raw part. Now what will you do? For while you are doing your ikhfa, the first thing is you'll have to protrude your lips out for the dhamma. Okay, nadiru. First you will do this, and then you will go back to the normal position. That means your lips should go back to the normal position while you are doing your gunna. Okay, so while you are doing your gunna, go close to the makhraj of fa. Okay, it should be nadirun fa, nadirun fa. Okay, then what will you do? You will read the rest of the word, but don't give a pause in between. I'm just explaining you so that you understand it. It should be nadirun fakadhabna. Okay, it should be nadirun fakadhabna. Now here we also will have to take care of your zal. When your kaf joins with the zal, you'll have to run your zal. Kadhabna. Your ba should be with the qalqal again. Take care of the qalqal of the ba, and your noon should be given 2 counts. Nadirun fakadhabna wa qulna. Circle your lips for the waw. Qaf should be heavy, and join your qaf with the lam. Do not bounce your lam. It should be qulna wa qulna. Ma 2 counts. Nazzalallahu. Now join your noon with the za. There should be this buzzing sound in your za. Nazzalallahu. Now you have to join this lam with the lamat of lafz jalala. So keep your lam, this lam of the word nazzal light, and then when you go to the name of Allah, the majestic name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, make your lamat heavy. Okay, because the ruling is that whenever the name of Allah is preceded by a fatha or a dhamma, you will make the majestic name of Allah heavy. It should be nazzalallahu. Okay, now again over here you have the rule which is ikhfa. Okay, so it should be min shay'in. Okay, hide your noon. Min shay'in. Now here the rule is izhar. Okay, whenever tanween is followed by the third letters, and the third letters are hamza, ha, ayn, ha, ghain, and kha. Whenever you see that the tanween or noon sakina is followed by these 6 letters, you will have to do idhar. That means you'll have to make your noon clear. Okay, inshallah. So just keep this in mind. Okay, so that you do not get confused with the rules like idgham and ikhfa. For idgham and ikhfa, what will you do? In ikhfa, you will hide your noon. In idgham, you will burst the noon. And in idhar, you will make the noon clear. So here you will have to make the noon clear, inshallah. Again, you have idhar, shay'in, in. Okay, because this noon sakina is followed here. This is noon sakina followed by hamza. Okay, so you have to do idhar again. But then it is ikhfa over here. You see that the noon sakina is followed by the ta. So what will you do? Here you will do idhar, here you will do idhar, and here you will do ikhfa. Okay, shay'in, in, antum. Okay, then illa. This is normal, easy. Just join your hamza with the lam and give your lam 2 counts. Fi, 2 counts because it is with yamat. Dalalin kabir. Now here, your dot is heavy, and also take care of the makhraj of dot. Your dot should be from the sides of your tongue. The sides of your tongue should be it should be opposite to the internal surface of your molars. Okay, the sound should be ba, ba. Okay, dalalin kabir. Okay, now here the rule is ikhfa again. You see this tanween is followed by the letter kaf. So you have to hide your noon again. It should be dalalin kabir. And the ra at the end should be light. Okay, so listen to the shaykh and practice with the shaykh inshallah ta'ala. Okay, jazakum Allahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.